With the new Supertop for JL Wrangler, you'll discover big value as you enjoy your Jeep like never before. The Sunrider feature offers our easiest access to great views and sunshine conveniently from your driver's seat. Closing your top is just as easy. No more messing with factory hardtop panels. Converting to Safari mode is just as simple. Thanks to our patented zipperless technology, the Supertop's rear windows slide out easily and are sure to last the test of time. The Safari configuration offers a great option for airflow throughout the vehicle, while keeping passengers shaded from the sun. Choose the popular premium black twill for the best feel and longevity, or the black diamond material for that classic look. The Supertop for JL Wrangler is available now from Bestop dealers or directly from Bestop.com. Please visit Bestop.com for more information.